In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download protected view-only Google Sheets files from Google Drive. Although downloading a protected view-only sheet directly without permission is not possible, I'll walk you through a simple workaround to access the data within these restrictions while ensuring we're staying within ethical guidelines. First, you'll want to open the Google Sheet in your browser. It's important to be patient with loading, especially if the document contains a lot of content. So ensure your internet connection is stable. Once the sheet is open, you'll want to proceed to highlight the entire content that you can see. For users on a Windows operating system, you'll do this by pressing Ctrl+A. And, if you're using a Mac, press CMD+A. This keyboard shortcut ensures that every cell within the view-only document is selected, making it easy and convenient. After you've highlighted all the cells, your next step is to copy them. Simply press Ctrl+C if you're using Windows, or CMD+C on a Mac. This action copies all the selected content onto your clipboard. You might not notice much happening visually, but rest assured, your data is now ready to be pasted elsewhere. Copying large amounts of data might take a few moments, depending on the size of the sheet, so give your system a little time to process. Now that you've got your data copied, open a new Google Sheet or an Excel file. Either of these platforms will work perfectly for the next step. Once this new document is open, go ahead and paste the data you copied earlier. You can do this by pressing Ctrl+V on Windows or CMD+V on a Mac. The data should now populate into the new file, maintaining its format as close as possible to the original layout. Finally, you're ready to save this new file onto your computer. If you're using Google Sheets, you can do this by going to the File menu, then selecting Download, and choosing your preferred file format, such as Microsoft Excel. Or, if you are directly using Excel, simply save the document to your desired path, making sure it's named in a way that's easy for you to identify later. And that's it. A straightforward way to access the content within a view-only Google Sheet while respecting shared data and bypassing any unethical direct download methods. Remember, it's crucial to only use this technique for ethical purposes and respect the privacy and permissions set by the document owner. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, feel free to like and share this video with others who might benefit from it.